Mighty X arm cast covers are created for people who want to shower comfortably in spite of arm injuries. We offer our covers in sets of 3, but each cover can be used multiple times if handled carefully. They are made from a durable, elastic, and waterproof material which will keep your cast or bandage dry. They provide safe and comfortable showering during the recovery period. Mighty X cast covers are designed to fit adult arms and are not suitable for children. Carefully pull the cover up by the corners as high as it will go up on your arm. Be sure to use uniform tension on its corners when putting it on. Smoothing the seal all the way around creates a plastic band that should be visible on your skin. Pull back down slightly to complete the seal. Make sure that your cast or bandage is fully covered and the seal fits snugly on your skin. You are now ready to shower. In order to get multiple uses out of your arm cast cover, dry it completely with a bath towel and gently pull it off over the cast. Once removed, lay it flat in a warm, dry place. If you handle your arm cast cover with care, the opening will retain its elasticity. Each cover can withstand many showers, but discontinue use if it becomes too loose. Check out our ratings and decide for yourself.